one act of kindness, and he decided he would do that every single day. And he did that for how many days in a year?
365.
365. So he did one act of kindness every single day for 365 days. Was that easy, do you think?
No.
Would you run out of, what will I do next? Probably. You open the door for someone, you can do that. But if you're doing, it's called random acts of kindness. So you do it, you just do whatever you want. If you see, I don't know, some poor person on the road and you have some money in your pocket, give them some money. Help them in that way. Smile, being kind to one another. That's what random acts of kindness is. So my challenge would be, would you like to take up that challenge?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? So we could have a little thing over on that wall there, and we could call it random acts of kindness, and we'll have 365 tokens, and we'll have your names, whoever's taking part. You don't all have to take part if you don't want to, but if you do, we can put your name there, and we'll see how far we go. Right, so we won't have 365 days, we'll have the school days. So each school day till the end of the summer term. And we'll see how far we get. Right? But you also have to tell us each day what your act of kindness was. Right?